Where do you usually go after work?
I usually go to the gym after work to stay fit.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like to eat rice with chicken curry for lunch.
When do you finish your daily tasks?
I finish my daily task by 8 in the evening.
How do you spend your free evenings?
I spend my free evenings reading or walking outside.
Why do you wake up so early?
I wake up early to make the most of my day.
Where does he go for morning exercise?
He goes to the park for his morning exercise.
What does he like to watch on TV?
He likes to watch news and sports channels.
When does he call his best friend?
He calls his best friend every Sunday.
How does he keep his room clean?
He cleans his room every morning before breakfast.
Why does he go jogging every day?
He goes jogging every day to stay healthy.
Where does she work now?
She works in a private company in Lahore.
What does she like to wear in summer?
She likes to wear light cotton clothes in summer.
When does she go to the beauty salon?
She goes to the beauty salon once a month.
How does she decorate her room?
She decorates her room with flowers and pictures.
Why does she like early mornings?
She likes early mornings because they are peaceful.
Where do they study together?
They study together in the university library.
What do they usually talk about?
They usually talk about movies and study plans.
When do they go for a picnic?
They go for a picnic on public holidays.
How do they spend winter evenings?
They spend winter evenings drinking tea and chatting.
Why do they play football every weekend?
They play football every weekend to stay active.
Where does it snow in Pakistan?
It snows in Murray and northern areas of Pakistan.
What makes it windy today?
The weather change makes it windy today.
When does it usually rain in your city?
It usually rains in July and August in my city.
How does it feel during the summer season?
It feels very hot and humid during summer.
Why does it look cloudy today?
It looks cloudy because it may rain soon.
Where does Ahmed study English?
Ahmed studies English at a private institute.
What does Ahmed want to become?
Ahmed wants to become an English teacher.
When does Ahmed go to bed?
Ahmed goes to bed at 10 every night.
How does Ahmed spend his weekends?
Ahmed spends his weekends meeting friends.
Why does Ahmed read newspapers daily?
Ahmed reads newspapers to improve his knowledge.
Where does Fatima work?
Fatima works in a hospital as a nurse.
What does Fatima do in her free time?
Fatima watches movies in her free time.
When does Fatima visit her friends?
Fatima visits her friends on Saturdays.
How does Fatima prepare dinner?
Fatima prepares dinner by following recipes online.
Why does Fatima love helping people?
Fatima loves helping people because it makes her happy.
Where do the students play cricket?
The students play cricket in the school ground.
What do the students do in the library?
The students read and complete homework in the library.
When do the students go for lunch?
The students go for lunch at 1 o'clock.
How do the students travel to school?
The students travel by school bus.
Why do the students like their school?
The students like their school because teachers are kind.
Where does your friend go on holidays?
My friend goes to the northern areas on holidays.
What does your friend like doing online?
My friend likes watching funny videos online.
When does your friend sleep at night?
My friend sleeps around midnight.
How does your friend manage his time?
My friend manages his time by making a schedule.
Why does your friend like cooking?
My friend likes cooking because it relaxes him.
Where do your parents live?
My parents live in a small town near Islamabad.
What do your parents do on weekends?
My parents spend weekends visiting relatives.
When do your parents drink tea?
My parents drink tea in the evening.
How do your parents travel to the city?
My parents travel by train to the city.
Why do your parents prefer homemade food?
They prefer homemade food because it's fresh.
Where do people go shopping in your city?
People go shopping in the main market.
What do people do in the park?
People walk and relax in the park.
When do people start working in the morning?
People start working around 9 in the morning.
How do people celebrate Eid?
People celebrate Eid with family and special food.
Why do people love going to the beach?
People love the beach because it feels calm and free.
Where does the teacher live?
The teacher lives near the school.
What does the teacher teach?
The teacher teaches English and grammar.
When does the teacher reach school?
The teacher reaches school before 8 o'clock.
How does the teacher motivate students?
The teacher motivates students by encouraging them.
Why does the teacher love teaching?
The teacher loves teaching because it inspires others.
Where do office workers go for lunch?
Office workers go to nearby restaurants for lunch.
What do office workers do during breaks?
They chat and drink tea during breaks.
When do office workers finish their work?
They finish work around 6 in the evening.
How do office workers travel home?
They travel home by car or bus.
Why do office workers need holidays?
They need holidays to rest and spend time with family.
Where do travelers visit in Pakistan?
Travelers visit Lahore, Islamabad, and Hunza Valley.
What do travelers pack for trips?
Travelers pack clothes, shoes, and cameras.
When do travelers enjoy mountain views?
Travelers enjoy mountain views in the morning.
How do travelers explore new cities?
Travelers explore new cities by walking around.
Why do travelers take notes?
They take notes to remember special moments.
Where does the sun go at night?
The sun goes below the horizon at night.
What makes the sky blue in the day?
The sunlight scattering makes the sky blue.
When does the moon look full?
The moon looks full once a month.
How does the rainbow appear?
The rainbow appears when sunlight meets rain.
Why do stars shine brightly?
Stars shine because they produce their own light.
Where do birds sleep at night?
Birds sleep in trees or nests at night.
What do birds eat in the morning?
Birds eat grains and insects in the morning.
When do birds start singing?
Birds start singing at sunrise.
How do birds make their nests?
Birds make nests with grass and twigs.
Why do birds fly in groups?
Birds fly in groups for safety.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I buy my groceries from the local market.
What do you usually drink in the morning?
I usually drink tea with milk in the morning.
When do you take a short break?
I take a short break at noon.
How do you stay focused while working?
I stay focused by keeping my phone away.
Why do you enjoy reading books?
I enjoy reading books because they teach new ideas.
Where do you want to live in the future?
I want to live in a peaceful place near nature.
What do you do before going to bed?
I check my phone and pray before bed.
When do you call your parents?
I call my parents every night.
How do you spend rainy days?
I spend rainy days at home watching movies.
Why do you like peaceful places?
I like peaceful places because they calm my mind.
Where do your neighbors come from?
My neighbors come from different cities of Pakistan.
What do your neighbors usually do on weekends?
They organize small family gatherings on weekends.
When do your neighbors visit you?
They visit me during festivals and holidays.
How do your neighbors help each other?
They help each other during emergencies.
Why do your neighbors keep pets?
They keep pets because they love animals.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself running my own English institute.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I rest for a while and drink some tea.
When do you meet your old friends?
I meet my old friends once or twice a year.
How do you start your mornings?
I start my mornings with prayer and fresh air.
Why do you want to improve your English?
I want to improve my English to communicate confidently.